Hello everyone, I have one update on Laravel 9. Laravel 9 release date has been further delayed to February 8th, 2022. I have just seen in Laravel.com website and confirmed from the Laravel team that its release is now delayed by almost 2 weeks. Earlier, its release is on January 25th, but now it has been delayed to February 8th, 2022. So we need to wait for few more days. So in the meantime, we are going to learn more about multi-vendor e-commerce website that we are going to do in Laravel 9. We will take complete overview of that series, and we will know about the dealers and admin features that we are going to use in this multi-vendor e-commerce website. So do watch these videos so that these will help when Laravel 9 will actually release. Okay, then stay tuned for that. Have a nice time. Goodbye.